If you're looking for affordable web hosting and you keep hearing the name Namecheap, then this video is for you. Namecheap is widely known for cheap domains, but many people are confused about whether its hosting is actually good or just cheap. In this review, I'll break down Namecheap hosting honestly, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your website or not. Let's start with what Namecheap actually offers. Namecheap provides shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers, but in this video, we'll mainly focus on shared and WordPress hosting, because that's what most beginners and small website owners use. Namecheap's biggest attraction is its low pricing, which makes it very popular among beginners who are starting their first website. One of the best things about Namecheap hosting is its pricing structure. Compared to many hosting providers, Namecheap is very transparent with its prices. You don't see extreme jumps in renewal prices like some other companies. This is a big advantage because many beginners buy hosting without checking renewal costs and regret it later. With Namecheap, the renewal prices are still reasonable, which helps save money in the long run. Now let's talk about performance. Namecheap hosting is not the fastest hosting in the market, but for small websites, blogs, and beginner projects, the speed is decent. If you're running a simple WordPress blog, portfolio website, or small business site with low to medium traffic, Namecheap's performance is good enough. However, if you're planning to build a high-traffic or performance-heavy website, then Namecheap may not be the best option. Another important feature is uptime. Namecheap offers stable uptime for shared hosting, which means your website stays online most of the time. While it may not match premium hosting providers like Kinsta or WP Engine, it still performs well for its price range. For beginners, this level of uptime is acceptable and reliable. Let's talk about ease of use. Namecheap uses a clean and simple control panel, and it also offers cPanel for hosting management. This makes it very beginner-friendly. Installing WordPress, managing domains, creating emails, and handling basic website settings is easy, even if you don't have technical experience. This is important because beginner-friendly hosting saves you money by eliminating the need to hire a developer. Namecheap also includes free SSL certificates with its hosting plans, which is great because SSL is essential for website security and SEO. Many cheap hosting providers charge extra for SSL, but Namecheap includes it for free, helping you save extra costs. You also get basic backups and security features, which are good enough for small websites. Customer support is another area where Namecheap performs reasonably well. They offer 24/7 live chat support, and their support team is helpful for basic issues like website setup, email problems, and hosting-related questions. While support response times may not always be instant, it's still reliable enough for beginners and small website owners. Now let's talk about the limitations. Namecheap hosting does have some drawbacks. The biggest one is performance for growing websites. If your website traffic increases significantly, you may notice slower loading times. In that case, you'll need to upgrade to VPS or move to a more performance-focused hosting provider. Also, advanced features like staging environments and built-in caching are limited compared to premium hosting platforms. So who should use Namecheap hosting? Namecheap is best for beginners, bloggers, freelancers, and small business owners who want affordable hosting with transparent pricing. It's perfect if you're just starting out and don't want to spend a lot of money on hosting. However, if performance, speed,